Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dominique Davis, also known as Brown and Bendy, and on this channel we practice flexibility of the mind, the body, and the spirit. Do you feel like you are doing all of this emotional work, all of this self-improvement, but you're not seeing any results? If you'd like to know the #1 way that people push away their manifestations, continue watching. Okay, I know. So the title is very dramatic. I get it. I just want to let you know that it is totally clickbait, the title. There's no way you can kill a manifestation. There's no way that you can destroy a manifestation. What you want for yourself, what you desire for yourself, is out there. And it's waiting for you. Is right there. It's waiting for you. But the only thing that stands in the way of us and our desires is our resistance to said desire. One of the most popular beliefs that I feel a lot of people who are into law of attraction have is that law of attraction is something to be worshipped. I get it. I get it. I get it. I get it. You don't think that that is a belief that you have. You don't think that that is a belief that you have. And a lot of us don't. A lot of people completely appreciate law of attraction for what it is. But I'm making this video just so that a couple of you may want to sit back and analyze your relationship with the law of attraction and really analyze your intentions with the law of attraction. The law of attraction scientifically is a law that states that like attracts like. Everything vibrates at a specific frequency. So if one object vibrates at that frequency, it is attracting other objects at identical frequencies. This is not an opinion. This is not a religious belief. This is scientific law. When a lot of us learn about it, we get really excited because everything kind of clicks into place and everything makes sense. I was obsessed. I was obsessed with the law of attraction when I first learned about it. But the more that time went on and the more that I started to appreciate the truth in it, I realized that it's going to work whether I do something right or wrong, because it's a universal law. It's just something that is. It's not waiting for me to please it. And we'll get into that. We will get into that. But it's okay to be obsessed at first. But after a while, you got to kind of look at your intention. So let's say that you've been studying law of attraction for a little while and you have a pretty good understanding of what it is and what it's beginning to mean to you. You're still in your beginning stages. One thing that you do not want to do when you are practicing the law of attraction is try not to feel your emotions and avoiding bad situations like conflict and things of that nature. There is a difference between being mindful and watching how you communicate with people and being considerate and, just living your life, putting good out so you get good back. But there's also being unaware and going through life without thinking of your decisions, without thinking of your choices, without thinking of your intentions. And then when negative things happen, you deflect and you run away from it because now you know about law of attraction. If this makes you feel bad, you don't want to attract bad things. You kind of missed all the building blocks before you got to the place of, oh God, this is something bad's happening to me. I don't want to feel it. There are reasons that everything happens to us, and everything that happens to us is a lesson. So in order to understand that there's a lesson to be learned, there has to be and you have to be a little bit introspective, and you have to be willing to feel your own emotions and to understand what you're supposed to be learning from that emotion. It's important to understand that there is no law of attraction God out there. There is no person on a cloud watching you and hoarding your manifestations until you do the 5-5-5 technique correctly, or until you do the 2-cup method just right. There is no eternal God out there waiting for you that monitors whether you're doing law of attraction correctly. There's absolutely no checks and balances. There is no one who is going to reward you. There is no one who is going to scold you. That doesn't exist. It's very important to understand the feelings of things, because the feelings are the point, not the reward. I think a really good place to start, if this concept confuses you, is to think about the difference between saying thank you. Like, let's say that you are shopping and every place you go to and the person hands you your bag, you're kind of absent-minded, but you're just saying thank you because that's what you've been taught to do and you're a polite person. So you say thank you every time you get your bag and you go. There's a difference between that type of thank you and the vibration of gratitude. And of course, some people do feel that vibration of gratitude every time they say thank you, but I'm just trying to paint the picture of the difference. The words can sometimes just be words that do not have the correct attachment to them because you haven't made that connection with yourself. Nobody is going to do it for you. All of these practices, all of these videos, they're to help you help yourself. Affirmations, gratitude journals, manifestation techniques, all of that, it's not for the better job. It's not for the love of your life. It's not for the perfect shiny life. It's for your vibration, because once you get that vibration together, you attract what you want, and that is a perk of you loving yourself. To wrap this video up, I will restate that the law of attraction, though it is a universal truth and it is a great life reference, it is not something that is to be worshipped. It is something to help along the way, and an eternal truth that we can come back and reference anytime that we're lost or anytime that we just need to check back in with the foundations of reality. But it's not to be worshipped. If you enjoyed this video, which I really hope you did, please make sure to comment. Please make sure to like it. I love having conversations with you guys and finding out what you thought about the video. And also subscribe. If you have not subscribed, please do. And if you would like to know when I come out with new videos, please click the little bell and it will notify you. Okay, that's all I have for today, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I love you and I appreciate you. Bye.